Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania George, and today we're going to be reinstalling an old wig of mine for the first time. I just wanted to share this in case there's any beginners out there that give me tips. Hopefully I can give you guys tips, or you guys like something that I do and that'll probably help you. But like I said, I'm no expert. This is like first time me doing this. I played around with wigs because I wanted to try to teach myself to do wigs because prices are ridiculous. But just stick around if you guys want to see how I installed this. So here I'm about to push my edges back using the Got To Be gel, and I used some Eco Styler beforehand, and then I'm just going to push my edges back to make sure they are out the way before I do the bald cap method. So here I am just about to do the bald cap method. I picked out the darkest shade of wood caps, which just makes it easier so you don't have to put as much foundation and powder on your scalp pretty much. Pretty much just speeds up the process because it's already a dark tint. But I'm going to spray with some Got To Be spray and then just blow dry. And I do this about 2 to 3 times. So here I am now just cutting off the excess cap to get the shape of my hairline. And I'm trying to cut as close as possible without cutting my actual hair so that it gives more of that natural scalp look.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true.
So now I'm about to add my foundation and powder. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 360 and 362. Just blending both of those with like 50-cent sponge. Please excuse this lip bite I'm doing. I don't know why I'm doing it, but it's not the best. Anyways, proceed. Now I'm about to put my wig on and adjust it towards my hairline before I glue it down. Mind you, I already have this wig installed. I got this installed back in February, but I'm reinstalling it for the first time.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. I can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every since how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you.
So now I'm about to glue everything down using the Ghost Bond lace glue. And then I also used some Got To Be spray just to spray down the flaps by my ear that were being stubborn. Also, I did this step 3 times. I put glue, let it dry, then added some more glue just to make sure that it was tacky. So now I am just about to place my wig on the hairline and just use my comb to secure it in place. Now that I have everything intact, I'm going to just put my scarf on and lay everything down, hoping it stays. Now I'm just separating my edges just to cut them and lay them down with some edge control.
Don't love me. We should sit down before shit turns ugly. We should sit down since you said that. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you
So while my edges are laying down, I am just going to attempt to curl my hair. I say attempt because the curls fell. They did not hold even 2 seconds after this. But I'm trying to do something. And that's basically it. I'm so happy with how it turned out, especially for my first time. So stay tuned if you guys want to see more in the future.